BCCO, WWE World History, Heavyweight YouTube World History, Heavyweight Champion, coming with yo film review today. So today's channel is none other than Pizza Thursday. So I bought this from Pizza. I bought that link, that website in my description, in the description, in the King Sushi's channel. And let's go dive into eat this. Alrighty, so let's separate them by single pieces. And here we go. Alright, here we go. So, sushi, we got pepper juice and ham. Cheese, squash, and England. Sushi, yes, this is this. Ah. Mmm. Mmm. That is so good. Wow. That pizza is so good. I bought that restaurant pizza place in that description. So thank you actually watching this video. Thank you for anything, because you make this happen. You described you to anything to support the King Sushi, the King Sushi and Durango, and this experience. Thank you so much. So thank you for watching my videos, guys, and Sushikins, and please drop a like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Never miss an episode. And please, with a second example, sponsor my YouTube channel. And my kids, and my, and these experiences too. And please, send a channel to family and friends. And please follow me at Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, and Twitter. If you know that is that, I have 2 words for you guys. Sushi skins, sushi. Yeah!